It's going to tighten liquidity. Bank loans definitely will go higher because this is just the anchor rate. The stock market, like I said earlier this morning, will be unattractive and all of that. What else again? Okay, you talked about the CRR banks. Perhaps that would also shrink the bank incomes of banks and all of that. Give me a sense of how the MPC looked at all of this and the balancing, really. Because it seems the MPC was pro-growth for almost 2 years.
Yes.
But now it's like targeting inflation.
You see now, even though the inflation numbers are going up, the GDP numbers are not going negative. That's a little comfort for this action to take place. If our economy is in recession, or we've had our GDP number going down drastically, the MPC will not have the room to do what they have done now. Because don't forget, there's a level to which you can overheat the economy. Given that we are still maintaining a positive real GDP rate over the year now, since the end of the COVID, and then employment numbers also moderated before this Russia-Ukraine crisis came into that space, and commodity prices and other items, including minerals, increased, we had that emphasis on coming out of recession. The argument post-COVID was we had 2 negative growth, GDP was minus 6.1%, and then we came out of it before the end of the year. The emphasis was let's stabilize the economy to a level. You know, don't forget that we had GDP numbers of 6-7% some 10 years back for a long time. Then we crashed to this. So let's get out of the woods and then get to a stable level. Then we'll start addressing the price stability man. And like the governor emphasized, the most important function or primary function of central bank is to address price and monetary stability, which